Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the switch tool here and I'll be showing you how to on your switch tool how to add a user to your account. Now of course this switch is already set up and what I like to do is to add additional user. This can be great for additional family members so they can have their own individual save states and of course access their own stuff without messing up your account, or of course if you want to basically allow somebody to use their switch without accessing your account as well, you can add them as a user, and of course you can manage and add free users as you wish. All right, so for additional family members, for friends, you name it. All right, so in order to add a additional user to your switch, go ahead guys, while you're in your main account, and go into the option here that says system settings. All right, so once you're in system settings, you're going to start from the top. You're going to go all the way down. You're going to see users, and of course you can see the main user right there, and we're going to go down to here. It says add user. All right, and of course here it says sign in if you have a Nintendo account. So it's giving you various options. So you can sign in to a Nintendo account, meaning you can have a separate Nintendo account for that particular user, or you can add without signing in. So of course it depends on what you're looking for. So for example, let's say you want that person to have their own stuff, meaning their own everything separated from yours. You would sign into a different Nintendo account. If you want to keep everything clean and tidy, one household, then of course you just simply keep them on your Nintendo account. So add without signing in. So that's what I'm going to do here. And of course, again, that's the more convenient option. You will see all the user icons here. So all you got to do from here is select the one that you like. So for example, we have Yoshi here. All right, so we have various options, or you could just simply create an icon. All right, for simplicity, I'm just gonna go ahead and select the Yoshi, and of course I'm gonna give it a name. I'm just gonna call this account Afro King. Alright, so it's gonna call this Afro King. This is a random name. Alright, there you go. So it says this user will be added to the system called Afro King. So now I'm gonna hit OK. There you go. A second account has been added to the device, and of course you can select, and once you select you can mess around. So such as you can change the icon later on, you can change the nickname, you can sign into a Nintendo account, or you can delete the user. The option is yours. So those are the main options for this user. All right, so we now have a user. So if you want, what we can do is you can see the users up here in the upper section of the screen here. So you can see we're on one profile, but of course you could easily switch to another profile. All right, and you can move around and test out the settings. All right, so as the account is added, and of course to get full benefits, go ahead and make sure you sign into a Nintendo account to have all the benefits associated with your account. So it's good to have a separate Nintendo account to keep your games separate and stuff like that. All right, so from here you should be good, and you see the two user accounts. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.